In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a sheet, report, or dashboard in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace so you can quickly find the item you want to edit. Once you're in, open the sheet, report, or dashboard that needs to be updated. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the right file before making any changes, especially if you work with several similar items. Next, go ahead and make the updates you need. Depending on what you're working on, this could mean editing rows or columns, updating formulas, or adjusting settings. If you're in a sheet, you might be changing cell values, reorganizing information, or fixing calculations. If you're in a report or dashboard, you may be updating displayed content or changing how information appears. As you make changes, it's a good idea to move carefully and review your edits as you go so you can catch mistakes right away. After you've finished editing, save your work if Smartsheet does not save it automatically. In many cases, changes are saved in real time, but it's still important to watch for any prompts or indicators that confirm your updates have been recorded. If you're unsure whether everything has gone through properly, saving manually can give you extra peace of mind. If the page seems slow to update, or if you don't immediately see the latest version of your work, refresh the page. This helps reload the item and can resolve minor display issues. After refreshing, check the sheet, report, or dashboard carefully to make sure your changes are still visible. Look at the specific rows, columns, formulas, or settings you edited and confirm that everything appears the way you intended. Finally, if other people need access to the updated version, share the item with your team. This makes sure everyone is working from the latest information and helps avoid confusion from outdated copies. Before you finish, it can also be helpful to do one last quick review so you know the update is complete and ready for others to use. And that's it. You've successfully updated a sheet, report, or dashboard in Smartsheet and confirmed that your changes were saved and visible.